Welcome to an amazing video of aviation. This U.S. Air Force C-17 pushing back on its own using reverse thrust. When it started taxiing, it blew a gazebo into the crowd. And after taking off, it came back around for a low flyby. These two F-18s flying too low over a football game in Atlanta. Pilots flew at just a few hundred feet above the stadium, which was below the 1,000 feet minimum required by U.S. Navy rules. Because of this, the pilots were permanently grounded. This Boeing 767, struggling to land, bouncing multiple times down the runway. These two UH-60 Black Hawk helicopters flying over a stadium in Maryland. This time no pilots were grounded, and instead they were later honored on the field. The Airbus A380 landing with its left chartlet, which is located at the wingtip, broken off. According to the person recording, it was damaged by a lightning strike. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and click the video on the screen to watch another amazing video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.